Today I am reviewing the KOORUI 27-inch 2K gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone, today we are taking an in-depth, comprehensive look at a display that is completely reshaping what gamers should expect from an affordable high-performance monitor. We are talking about the KOORUI 27-inch 2K gaming monitor, model number G2722P. Now, if you have been shopping around for a new monitor lately, you know that finding the sweet spot usually means making a massive compromise. You either pay an absolute fortune for high specs, or you buy a cheap monitor that sacrifices color, resolution, and build quality. KOORUI, however, is aiming directly for that golden middle ground. They have packed a blistering 200Hz refresh rate, a sharp 1440p Quad HD resolution, professional-grade color accuracy, and a fully ergonomic stand into one incredibly competitive package. But specs are just numbers on a product page. How does this monitor actually stack up when you put it on your desk and load up your favorite games? Let's break it down piece by piece. Let's kick things off with the absolute headline feature here, which is the raw speed and fluidity of this panel. KOORUI has loaded this display with a blistering 200Hz refresh rate and a rapid 1 millisecond response time. To put that into perspective, standard office screens run at 60 Hz, and standard mainstream gaming monitors usually sit around 144 Hz. Bumping all the way up to 200 Hz means your operating system and your games feel incredibly fluid. The secret sauce here is the Fast IPS panel technology. Historically, IPS panels were great for colors, but suffered from slow response times, causing motion blur or ghosting behind fast-moving objects. Fast IPS completely solves that issue. If you play fast-paced competitive shooters like Valorant, Apex Legends, or high-speed racing simulators, this monitor is built exactly for you. Tracking moving targets becomes significantly easier because motion blur is practically eliminated. To make your gameplay even smoother, the G2722P comes equipped with adaptive sync technology. Whether you are running an NVIDIA or an AMD graphics card, this technology dynamically synchronizes the physical refresh rate of the monitor with the frame rate output of your GPU. This completely solves screen tearing and micro stutters at the source, ensuring buttery, smooth gameplay even when your frame rates fluctuate during intense team fights. Moving past raw speed, let's talk about the visual presentation, because this monitor is an absolute treat for your eyes. It features a 27-inch screen with a Quad HD resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, commonly known as 2K. At 27 inches, 1440p is widely considered the absolute sweet spot for desktop computing. It offers roughly 1.7 times the pixel density of standard 1080p. This means everything looks incredibly sharp, text is perfectly crisp, and textures in games reveal tiny, breathtaking details that would otherwise look blurry. KOORUI paired this high resolution with HDR400 support and a massive 95% DCI P3 wide color gamut. Most standard monitors only cover the basic sRGB color space, but a 95% DCI P3 coverage means this screen can display a much wider range of richer, more cinematic colors. Whether you are exploring lush open worlds, watching a high-definition movie, or handling creative tasks like photo and video editing, the color reproduction is vibrant, accurate, and true to life. Plus, thanks to the inherent strengths of the IPS panel, you get wide 178-degree viewing angles. The colors and contrast remain perfectly consistent even if you lean back, slouch, or have a friend sitting next to you watching you play. Now let's talk about everyday usability, ergonomics, and build quality, because this is an area where budget monitors almost always cheap out. Usually, affordable monitors come with a flimsy plastic stand that only lets you tilt the screen a tiny bit. KOORUI did not cut corners here. The G2722P features a fully adjustable ergonomic stand. You can smoothly adjust the height up and down, tilt it forward and back, and even pivot the entire screen 90 degrees into a vertical portrait orientation. If you are a streamer who wants a secondary vertical screen for reading chat, a programmer writing lines of code, or a professional working on long documents, this stand is a massive quality of life upgrade that heavily reduces neck and back strain. If you prefer using a dual monitor arm or mounting it to the wall, it is also VESA 75 by 75 mm compatible, letting you clear off your desk completely. For connectivity, the back of the monitor houses high-speed DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.0 ports. This gives you plenty of flexibility to hook up your main gaming PC via DisplayPort to unlock the full 200Hz refresh rate, while keeping a work laptop or a next-gen console like the PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X plugged into the HDMI port. It is worth noting that KOORUI purposely chose an ultra-slim bezel design and left out built-in speakers, which usually sound tiny and hollow anyway. Instead, they integrated a dedicated audio jack right on the monitor, allowing you to easily route your preferred headphones or desktop speaker system directly into the display for a clean setup. To wrap everything up, the KOORUI G2722P is an absolute powerhouse of a monitor that punches way above its weight class. It brilliantly bridges the gap between a hardcore competitive gaming display and a highly functional workspace for creators and remote workers. You are getting the hyper-reactive speed of 200 Hz, the razor-sharp clarity of a 1440p resolution, beautiful cinematic colors, and a fully adjustable stand that protects your posture. When you back all of that up with KOORUI's solid warranty support, offering 1 year of coverage for the display screen and 3 years for the accessories, this monitor stands out as one of the absolute best value investments you can make for your desktop setup. It is highly recommended.